When it happens to spending in gold bullion, one of the most important choices you'll help make is how to hold it. Proper storing is important for defending your expenditure and ensuring that your gold remains in really good problem. There are actually many different storage choices accessible, each along with its personal perks and disadvantages. In this short article, we'll discover how to pick the right storing alternative for your gold. 1. Home storage. One of the most handy and accessible options for storing gold bullion is always keeping it at residence. This makes it possible for you to have direct management over your investment and access to it whenever you need it. However, residence storage likewise happens with notable dangers. To start with, keeping sizable quantities of valuable metallics at home can easily produce you intended for theft or break-in. Furthermore, keeping gold in a residential property can easily be problematic if the resident insurance does not deal with such assets or confine their coverage amount. If you do make a decision to stash some of your gold at property, there are a few safety measures you need to take. Commit in a high-quality risk-free that's specifically made for saving valuables like valuable steels, and always keep it hidden from perspective as a lot as possible. Help make sure that simply dependent on individuals understand where the secure is located and don't market the reality that you have big volumes of beneficial possessions saved on your residential or commercial property. 2. Bank safety deposit boxes. Yet another well-liked possibility for saving precious steels is renting out a safety and security down payment package at a financial institution or various other monetary company that supplies them. Safety and security deposit containers offer secure security against burglary or reduction, as well as effortless access when needed. Nevertheless, there are downsides to utilizing security deposit boxes as well. Initially off, they may be expensive, particularly if one has even more than only one carton containing their belongings, and second of all, they may not be guaranteed by banking company insurance, FDIC, so if something happens. Also, financial institutions may also possess stipulations on what may be kept in a safety and security deposit container, so it's necessary to check out with your bank beforehand to help make sure that keeping priceless steels is made it possible for. 3. Precious metals storage companies. A third option for storing gold bullion is utilizing a priceless metallic storage space company. These firms focus in providing safe storing services for precious metallics and various other belongings. They generally deliver a variety of storing options, consisting of completely covered and isolated storing. The perks of using a precious metals storage space business are countless. They give high safety, professional-grade safes along with sophisticated safety action featuring 24/7 screen and monitoring. They usually have a number of locations around the world. They might deliver insurance policy protect. Nevertheless, this ease comes at a cost. The majority of storing business demand fees located on the size of your assets or the quantity of room you're making use of in their safes. Additionally, there is actually consistently some degree of danger included whenever you delegate your assets to a third-party service provider. 4. Personal vault storage space. Lastly, personal safe storing can easily be an outstanding alternative for those who choose higher command over their investments while still helping coming from high security centers. Private safes are specialized centers that are made particularly for keeping important properties like gold bullion. Private safes usually offer greater versatility than other choices because you can easily pick exactly how much room you need and individualize your personal safety methods depending on your inclinations. This can feature biometric get access to managements or even armed guards if desired. The drawback is that exclusive safes have a tendency to be pretty expensive due to the high degree of security they supply, but if you possess significant quantities of gold bullion that you wish to stash safely and securely while sustaining complete command over accessibility, after that personal. Final thought. Choosing the ideal storage space possibility for your gold bullion demands careful factor to consider located on numerous variables such as convenience, ease of access and most notably protection. There's no one-size-fits-all remedy, so it's essential to examine your options thoroughly just before making an ultimate selection. Look at consulting along with a qualified economic expert who may help you make an informed choice located on your details, demands and assets objectives.